And here's just some of the action.
We got a couple of highlights here. Let's check.
Oh, what a spectacular match. And here
almost took his head off with that lariat. The Rock connecting there with a kick. And again, the feet fly. That's impact and then some.
Oh, right now the momentum is with The Rock. And who knows when it'll stop.
Look at these two jockey for position. He was one step ahead on that one. He's displaying tremendous viciousness. And he does it one more time. A bit of a test of strength here. Controlling the head. And here we go with Roman Reigns.
knocked into the middle of next week.
Roman Reigns saw that one coming. Not so fast, says The Rock.
Yeah, The Rock is just so confident in his game, and I can't say that I blame him. That elbow did some damage.
Woo, a little showboating going on here.
There is a fury that comes from deep within Roman Reigns. I mean, Reigns enters the ring like it's a battlefield, and he looks to completely wipe out his opponents from competition. Let's face it, Reigns is a beast.
He's enjoying this.
Oh, unloading with the right hand. going to work now. A vicious elbow drop delivered with a lot of force.
You know, Cole, Roman Reigns' famous line was, "Believe in the Shield." And the way he manhandles people, I think Roman can persuade anyone to believe anything he wants. Oh!
The Great One can showboat with the best of them, that's for sure. The Rock has eyes.
Oh my gosh! The Brahma Bull! And that nailed him. He's looking at it. Are we going to see it, Cole?
I think so.
Rock bottom hits. The smackdown has been laid down.
And here we see it from this angle. And he gets out of the way.
Oh, The Rock's too fast.
This could do it. 2.
Shot.
He gets out of trouble there.
Oh. Nice move. No, not again. Ow.
Reigns gets taken off his feet.
Uh-oh. This might be angering Reigns more than it's hurting him.
Oh. Oh. Ow.
Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained.
2.
Can he score the pin? 2.
Oof, man.
Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained.
And there's a counter by the most electrifying man in sports entertainment. Hey now!
I don't like how slow he is to react right now. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up.
him. Oh my gosh! Whoa! No, not again!
No person.
Well, that's it.
He may get the 3 count right here.
Uh-oh, look at this.
Oh, trying to put him away.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
We saw that one coming. The Rock works his way out of trouble.
Well, you talk about a lightning-fast counter, Cole.
Wow!
Rock setting it up. What a move!
This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But, man, this has been physical.
Not today. Too fast.
Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. Really going to work here. Just wrenching that thing.
Reigns.
Oh, they threw everything they had at each other in this match. Let's look back at everything that happened.
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns.
Wow, what a match. What an effort by these combatants.
And boy, did that submission hold look painful.